sezi non? Depuis me fin garder débat ça, côté président Trump dit comme ça, tout immigrant qui vient qui vivent au Ohio, yo pas quitter moun avec chien, chat, canard. Oh! Mes amis, regardez vidéo ça mes amis. M'a demandé tout le monde qui pral voter contre président Trump. Bagay ça fait mal en pile.
In Springfield, they're eating the dogs, the people that came in, they're eating the cats, they're eating the pets of the people that live there.
I just want to clarify here. You bring up Springfield, Ohio, and ABC News did reach out to the city manager there. He told us there have been no credible reports of specific claims of pets being harmed, injured, or abused by individuals within the immigrant community.
Well, I've seen people on television.
Let me just say here, this is
the people on television say my dog was taken and used for food. So maybe he said that, and maybe that's a good thing to say for a city manager.
I'm not taking this from
but
television.
The people on television saying their dog was eaten by the people that went there.
Again, the Springfield city manager says there's no evidence of that. Vice President Harris, I'll let you respond to the rest of what you've heard.
You talk about extreme. You know, this is, I think, one.
Mes amis, gardez qui ont tonton bay menti. Oh! Et pourquoi ça pire là? Moun qui responsable pour Kamala, ok? Là. Li di ko ça pas gen ken report côté haïtien yo a manger dog, chien, chat, canard. Adje. Gen moun qui te connaît, gen moun qui pas connaît.